It takes just £2 a week to make them smile. When the Prophet ﷺ was asked about the most beloved deed to Allah, he said, the regular ones, even if they are small. For the cost of a coffee, or the Sunday paper, or a sandwich for lunch, you can make a difference. The cost of just one of the above per week, Hugs can support a family in need. With £8 a month, not only can we help them to live in better conditions, but we can also make their hearts brighter, lighter, and happier. We are looking for 1,000 generous hearts beaten in support of our families, to give just £2 a week to bring 1,000 smiles to the faces of our families. Open your hearts, open your hands, make them smile today.